Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows Defender broken on Windows 11 and won't open. First method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Exit and restart system. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click Recovery. Click Reset PC. Click Keep My Files. Click Cloud Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.